Hello there, my name's Ollie from Rank Fans. Today I have for you the 2023 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here is the short wheelbase crew cab. It does come to you with 6 seats and 11,500 miles on the clock as well. Now as well as this, it does also come with a lot of driver conveniences such as hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a reversing camera, heated seats for the front passengers, and a digital rear view mirror. Now I will just show you the rear 3 seats as well. As you can see, they are indeed a bench cloth line set of 3, and they also do come with quite a lot of leg room down there as well for you. And just to show you the load area in the back, which is extremely generous for a short wheelbase crew cab vehicle. As you can see, it is indeed ply lined on the walls, interior lit. There are some cargo stuff about to hide out any load you might want to carry, as well as an undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this vehicle, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description below. If you'd like to find out more information, if you're watching this on YouTube, or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.